little pea-brain heads that you can't give what you don't have. And it's a disgrace that they're sending out details in the news that there's going to be court cases in October. And why is it that not one politician or banker or developer was taken to court yet, and they're threatening the people of Ireland with court action and possibly jail? So I think it's a disgrace for this government what they're saying. I think they should come to law, and because if they want to come and put the handcuffs on all of us here now, they can. They're welcome to do so. I don't know where they're going to get the money to bring everybody to jail anyway. How come they have the money for that and they haven't got the money for other things? So I think they should get their finger out and come to law. Thank you. Despite what the government says, and despite what Fál Carrach says, this is still an unjust tax. For any government that decided they're going to switch off lights and cut out libraries because people are not paying this household tax is absolute madness. We need to start to ask ourselves, what kind of society do we want? And is this the crowds we want running our place? Because we need to take a hand in what's going on here ourselves. There's a league of civil servants and politicians and county councils on huge money and expenses. Let's start the cuts there if it has to be cuts at all. And we also have to go from a go to the household tax and the septic tax and the water tax and turn this movement into an anti-austerity movement. And that means that we need to get involved and we need to take a full part in our society and life around us and show these people that we're prepared to be in control. It's our society and we care. If they don't run society as they should, we're going to have to go and run it for ourselves. Thanks very much.